Hey there, it's RJ from RJ Fitness, and today we are going to review a whey protein supplement that is from MyFitFuel company, and this is the package. So let's start today's video. If you are new to my channel, please click on subscribe button and also that bell icon. It is an Indian brand. Last time I was using Advanced Nutratech bulk amino whey protein, and that too was an Indian brand that I bought for about 650 rupees, but then the price raises to about 900 rupees for 500 gram package, and also that was a raw whey protein, so I thought why not to buy a flavored whey protein for the same price. So that's why I switched to MyFitFuel. I bought this package for about 1000 rupees, and this package is of 450 grams, means 1 pound, and this is a flavored whey protein, and I bought it in chocolate flavor. The reason why I am reviewing and using these Indian products because these are cheaper than foreign brands, and it is also easily available, and I get some serious results. So why to use foreign and costlier brand if I can get good results from Indian brands? So I will be reviewing this supplement on 4 aspects. First will be its mixability, second will be its taste, third will be its cost, and last will be its effectiveness and what results I am getting from it. So let's check out its nutrition values given on the package. Its per scoop is of 32 gram, and you will get 23 gram of protein in per scoop and 4.5 gram of carbohydrates, and there is no added sugar in it, which is very good, and total fat is 1.9 gram. The main thing that I like is that it's BCAA content. It has 5.2 gram of BCAA content in per scoop, and also glutamine content 3.8 gram of glutamine you will get. What is glutamine, and that I will tell you later. And this is the amino acids that you will get. All the essential amino acids are there, so which is very good. Normally these are not present in other whey proteins, so you don't have to buy BCAA supplement externally. You will get all the essential amino acids in it. So let's check out its mixability now. I have taken some water. I have already opened it as I am using it. This is how it looks inside. The powder is very good. The quality is very good. So let's check out its mixability. You can see it only takes 10 to 15 seconds to mix very well, and this is how it looks. Its texture is very fine. There is no pores. So for mixability I will give 10 out of 10 because it mixes very well and in the shortest time. Now check out its taste. I have bought it in German chocolate flavor. This is my favorite flavor, so let's try out its taste. Taste, I would say it's very good. I have no complaint for its taste, and I will give 9 out of 10 for its taste. So let us talk about its pricing. This product is of 1 pound, means 453 gram written on the package, and it cost me around 1000 rupees. So if you calculate how much one scoop of it cost, so its one scoop is of 32 gram and it cost around 60 to 65 rupees for one scoop. There are 14 servings in it. The reason why it is affordable is because it is an Indian brand and you do not have to pay extra money for importing. Now it's time to tell you that what results I am getting from it. So let me tell you the truth. I am using it for about 20 days and I am getting good results. Just good, I will not say best. And do not expect that after eating it a miracle will happen and next day your body will be muscular. Protein supplements are just a way to help you to get good protein in shorter time. They are just 10% of your diet. If you are not taking that remaining 90% diet, supplement will never help you to grow. If you are taking proper diet and doing proper workout, only then protein supplement will act like a magic for your body. Only protein supplements will never help you. I hope this video helps you a lot. If you like this video, please hit like button and you can comment freely. I will come with more reviews. Till then, stay fit, stay aesthetic.